Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 18th, 2021, and we're going to be starting the cold season vegetables today. So we're going to be doing the Catskill Brussels sprouts. That is an heirloom. It's an open pollinated variety, and I have a lot of videos on my channel for growing Brussels sprouts from seed to harvest, so you can check those out. And we're going to be doing the Smart Snack Hybrid Broccoli, the Snow Crown Cauliflower, and we get multiple heads off of our cauliflower heads. I have videos on my channel for how we do that. After we harvest the first one off, we cut the head off up pretty high, and then they put off the side branches, and we get more cauliflower off. And we're going to be doing the red acre cabbage, and we're going to be doing the Brunswick cabbage. Now, all of those seeds look exactly alike. And you want to put them about 1/4 of an inch deep. And I am going to be putting them in a container with a loose covering over it, and I'm going to be putting them on my heated floor for germination. So you can see here what Brussels sprout seeds look like. And we are cutting down this year on how many vegetables that we're planting and growing. So we're not going to have as much as what we normally have. So I'm just putting these on top of the soil, and then I will be covering them. So I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, and if I can find a link for the seed starting mix that I use, I'll put one down in the description. There we go. Smooth this out here just a little bit there. There we go. So I have my seed right here, and I'm just gently covering over the top of it. Now, one thing that I do with my cold season vegetable seeds is I take my seeds, I put them in a Ziploc bag, and I put them in the refrigerator for 2 weeks before I sow them. And I find that it really helps with germination for my seeds. Now, I do store most of my seeds in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags, and gives them a longer shelf life. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spray bottle, and I'm going to mist over the top of these. And planting your seeds for your broccoli, your cabbage, cauliflower, your Brussels sprouts is all the same. You don't have to do anything different between the varieties for when you sow those. There we go. Just want to get that seed coating there nice and moist. So I'm going to put this on the floor in the tray, and when they start germinating, I will come back and I will show them to you. Now, when these do come up, I am going to move them to a cooler spot in the greenhouse, which is going to be in the back of the greenhouse because they are cool season. So they can take some of the cooler temperatures, whereas some of my other plants like a little warmer. So I have them in a little bit of a warmer spot in the greenhouse. Now, I am gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so I have a lot of different videos on my channel for like your broccoli and all that different stuff, so you can check those out. I did do some playlists, and they're on there as well. And I do have on there how to start your stuff under lights, if you're growing your stuff indoors under lights. Okay, so today is February 25th, 2021. And on the 24th, my cabbage Brunswick and my Snow Crown cauliflower did start germinating. And we have some Catskill Brussels sprouts that just started germinating yesterday. Now, I do have some more cold season stuff on the floor. We're still waiting for the other red acre cabbage, where I did see that one is starting to germinate. And we're still waiting for the Smart Snack hybrid broccoli. So we're still waiting for that one to germinate. But you can see here what the seedlings look like. Now, your cold season crops, unless you have like a red acre cabbage or something like that, all of your seedlings are going to look the same. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and label them. Because until they start getting more mature to the point where they start giving, you're not going to be able to tell them apart. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos and show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!